Do you want to speak English confidently in school and daily life? Today you'll learn 50 useful English sentences that every student should know. Watch till the end and practice with me. These simple sentences are used every day at school, at home, and with friends. Let's start learning.
Good morning, students.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
I am fine. Thank you.
May I come in? Sir,
Yes, you may come in.
sorry for being late.
That's okay. Please come in.
May I sit here?
Yes, you may sit there.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yes,
Please help me.
of course.
Students, open your book.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Education is the key to success.
Education is the key to success.
Education is the key to success. I understand.
I don't understand. Can you explain again?
Of course. Let me explain it again.
May I ask a question?
Yes, you may.
What is the homework?
Write 5 sentences about your favorite subject.
I have completed my work.
Very good. Now, close your book.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Sana.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Where do you live?
I live in Lahore.
Let's go together.
Sure.
How was your day?
It was very good.
That's great.
I learned many new things today.
I agree with you.
Our English class was very helpful.
That's interesting. See you tomorrow.
Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.
Talking with friends.
Mom, I am very hungry because I came home from school and haven't eaten anything since lunchtime.
Don't worry. I am preparing some delicious food for you.
I am also very tired because I had a busy day at school and attended several classes.
You should take some rest after eating your meal.
Please give me some water because I am feeling thirsty after walking home from school.
Of course. Here is a glass of cold water for you.
After resting for a few minutes, I am doing my homework so that I can complete all my assignments on time.
That's a good habit. Always finish your homework before playing games.
Mom, what is for dinner tonight? It smells really good in the kitchen.
We are having rice, chicken, and fresh salad for dinner tonight.
That sounds delicious. I can't wait to eat it.
Dad, it looks like it's going to rain today.
Yes, the weather forecast said there might be heavy rain.
I hope I can reach school on time.
Don't forget to take your umbrella.
Thank you for reminding me.
Good morning, Sarah.
Good morning, Ahmed.
Did you bring your umbrella?
Yes, I did. The weather looks very uncertain.
That's smart. It may start raining at any moment.
Oh no. It's starting to rain.
Quick. Open your umbrella.
Come under my umbrella.
Thank you. That is very kind of you.
No problem. Friends should help each other.